Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the color of something in Photoshop. So in today's video, I'm going to change the color of this red slide. Just click on select the quick selection tool and select my slide. If something is selected unnecessarily or I have selected something more, I will hit the Alt key and remove the selection. And if I want to add the selection, I will keep clicking on my left mouse button. Now my slide has been selected completely. Now what I will do is I will click on this folder icon on the bottom right corner and create a new group by clicking on it. Now new group has been created. Now what I will do, I will create an adjustment layer by clicking on this, and I will select solid color. Now I will change my color of the slide from red to pink. As you can see, I have selected the pink color. I will click on OK. Now I will create a new adjustment layer once again by clicking on it, and this time I will select brightness and contrast. Now I have created two adjustments layer. Brightness contrast is on the top and the color layer is on the bottom. So what I have to do, I have to move this color fill layer from bottom to top. Now the brightness layer is on the bottom and color layer is on the top. So what I have to do is select this color layer and change the blending mode from normal to color. Once I've selected the color, as you can see, now we have to adjust the brightness of this slide. So how should I do it? I will click on this brightness icon. Once I've selected, double clicked this brightness icon. Now I can easily adjust the brightness of this slide. As you can see, as I'm sliding it down, the brightness is going to lower down. Drop down the contrast to preserve the more details in the slide. As you can see, it is becoming pink. So that's how you can change the color of something in Photoshop. It depends upon your preference. What color do you like? How do you like the final results? You can change the brightness and contrast according to your needs or according to your liking. So that's basically how it's done. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.